Okay guys, now we just like sell for 2 trades. As you guys can see here, I just see there's a higher highs and lower low, and then higher high, and then got like lower low. So, and I just immediately take a sell over here when like the candlestick has closed below here, and I confirm that it's gonna go way down, and then yeah, and as you can see, I just immediately sell when it's hit back up to the breaker blocks, and then I take a sell. Thank you. So yeah, I'm gonna do a recap video when it's going to hit the liquidity here, the sell side liquidity. And yes, okay. Welcome back to our daily recap trade. Wait a minute, I gotta drink a meal. So this is the trade that I took last night. Okay, so basically I look at 5-minute time frames. I see there's doing a consolidations. You can see here, and the other thing, the first trade I took, I confirmed with 5-minute time frame. I see there's a consolidating, and there's a market sweep right here. I confirm the market is going, it's gonna go down. So, and then I'm waiting for retracements. I could continue sell over here, but I don't. I know it's gonna come back again. So I take a sell over here when it's coming up and hit a fair value gap a bit. So, and so I put my stop loss like at the last highs after sweep liquidity sweep. Then I put TP on the last liquidity. I could do this, but I put on like a sell side liquidity here, but yeah, I don't like much risky. I like to be safe, so I put it over here. Wait a minute. So the other trade I look up at 1 minute to confirm it's really gonna go down. So as you can see here, wait a minute. As you can see here, the market has making high, low, high, and then low, and then it closed, and the candle has closed below here. It's closed below here. So I confirm it's gonna go down, and then like and then there's another candle moving up a bit to touch like a breaker block. So I immediately sell it over here. Then I put my stop loss in the last highs after. So I tell you what, after highest. So, and then I just put my TP at the same place after this last trade. So yeah, I made around it was $29 for these 2 trade. Yeah. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day.